Hello, my name is Lina Marcela Arias Aramillo. I belong to the group is 90 170 112. Below, I will make my short presentation regarding technology in the environment. With regard to the research I have done on the base of technology and the environment we can see, that is with human with not the usual activity. That we do every day and producing pollution, either light, atmosphere, among other which receive in the environment we breathe. For this reason, we must be to claim the best solution not to falling in the truth the garbage in appropriation collect container. Have public transported that no producing as much in pollution among other that is all and finish. Bye bye.